Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming that File Vault is on. This matters because only File Vault generates a recovery key. Sign into your Apple ID on the Mac and make sure a trusted device can receive verification codes. Once done, check iCloud Keychain and any printed notes where you might have stored the recovery key when enabling File Vault. If you used an organization account, contact IT now for their recovery procedures so you don't lock yourself out mid-process. You should now go to File Vault Settings to see whether the recovery key was stored with your Apple ID. That's the fastest route. If it is, sign into your Apple ID on another trusted device or at Appleid. Apple.com, verify with two-factor authentication, and look for recovery or device security settings. Make sure to copy any displayed recovery key exactly, because even one wrong character prevents decryption. If you see no key, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. Finally, once you have the recovery key, store it securely in at least two places such as a password manager and a printed copy locked away. That prevents future lockouts. If you cannot find the key and Apple cannot verify ownership, your only option is to erase the Mac and reinstall Mac OS, so make sure you have backups. If File Vault blocks access during reinstall, use Mac OS Recovery to erase the drive. Then restore from your backup. This is why backups matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.